Realme has launched its latest smartphone in their Narzo series, the Narzo 60 5G, and we got our hands on the device. Watch through the entire video as we unbox it and share our first look. So let's get started. The smartphone comes in the classic Narzo blue colored packaging with the model name and the company branding printed. As we unbox it, we are greeted by this package that houses the SIM eject tool, some documents, and the transparent silicone case. Next, we have the smartphone, which we'll keep aside for now. After that, we have the 33-watt SuperVOOC power adapter and a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Coming back to the smartphone, Realme Narzo 60 5G sports a glossy back panel with this circular camera module which houses the 64-megapixel main camera. It comes in two color options, Mars Orange and Cosmic Black. The smartphone has flat sides with the volume buttons and the power key on the right and SIM slot on the left. The Narzo 60 5G comes equipped with a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display with a peak brightness of 1000 nits and a 90Hz refresh rate. The display also houses a 16-megapixel front camera in the hole punch cutout. The Narzo 60 5G uses Mediatek Dimensity 60205 5G SoC and comes in two variants, a base model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, priced at Rs 17,999, and a second variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, priced at Rs 19,999. The phone sports a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged using the provided 33-watt SuperVOOC charger. Narzo 60 5G runs on Realme UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. To know more about this smartphone and all things tech, keep following Gadgets 360.